Welcome to Tech Explained. Today we're diving into advanced wearables, the latest trend in personalized health monitoring. Wearable technology has evolved beyond fitness trackers, with devices like smart rings and smart glasses revolutionizing how we track our health and daily activities. Imagine wearing a stylish ring that tracks your heart rate, sleep, and stress levels, all in real time. Smart rings provide continuous health insights without being intrusive. They can monitor oxygen levels, body temperature, and even send reminders to stay active. And then there are smart glasses, which are no longer just about notifications or augmented reality. These new devices can track eye movement, fatigue levels, and even posture, helping you stay healthier while working long hours or using screens. The driving force behind this trend? Personalization. People want tailored health insights that fit their lifestyle. With AI and advanced sensors, these devices don't just collect data, they analyze it to give actionable advice, helping optimize sleep, activity, and overall well-being. Wearables are also incredibly convenient, seamlessly fitting into your daily routine, whether you're working, exercising, or sleeping. Unlike traditional health monitors, they're lightweight, stylish, and easy to wear 24/7. However, as wearables collect vast amounts of personal data, privacy and security remain critical concerns. Companies must ensure secure data storage, and users need to be aware of how their health information is being used. Looking ahead, wearables could soon monitor even more aspects of health, like blood sugar levels and mental well-being, offering deeper insights without invasive procedures. In short, advanced wearables are transforming health monitoring with smart rings and glasses, providing real-time, personalized insights to help us take charge of our well-being. If this helped you understand wearables better, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Explained. Would you use a smart ring or glasses to track your health? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.